Some people talk a good game. Some people back their words up with action. Will you be the one that actually gets the job done? We can teach you the skills you need to keep America running.
Diesel technology, automobile, this has always been a great market. And, the criteria that J-Tech sets up, they set you up for success when you get into the real world.
Our employer partners need qualified technicians.
J-Tech opened more opportunities by giving me the opportunity to expand my knowledge.
Make more than minimum wage. Make a solid income.
J-Tech did pave the path for me to become an essential worker by giving me all the knowledge and foundation that I needed in order to move up in a career.
Get trained. Master the skills. Get to work. Let's do this. Visit jtech.org to get started.